When Chemetall was founded more than 100 years ago in Germany, the equation was simple: listen to the customer and innovate to help them succeed. We are problem solvers, dedicated to finding a new way forward. From food and beverage to aluminum finishing, aerospace to automotive industries, we are developing technologies that will drive our customers' business a decade from now. And we are doing it now. Right here in the Asia Pacific, we have been serving customers in the F&B industry for over a decade, and we'll be around for many more. Tailored to suit all specific process and plant requirements, from clean-in-place to environmental application such as foam and manual applications, Chemetall's comprehensive 5-cent range of chemical cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfection products help you save time, money, and resources. From poultry to dairy, ready-to-eat meals to fish and meats, fruit and vegetables to snack and beverage production plants, we design sustainable solutions, recommend specific process design, and offer a highly specialized technical service program to reduce the possibility of foodborne illnesses, extend product shelf life, and improve efficiency. So you get the results you want without costing the earth, because you deserve no less.